Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
I'm Shamik Chakrabarti.
This is Gokul Kumar.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No edits.
You know the millennial pause, right? You know that thing?
Yeah, I've heard. Like you guys,
We guys, millennial pause is when you click record and then talk, and that's
Oh.
considered a millennial behavior.
because you guys take
Yeah.
time.
So Gen Z,
to
you start
get used
talking
to.
and then press just after you start talking. So
Yeah.
it's like the H is not heard.
Yeah.
Hi guys, and
Yeah.
that's when you're like,
And millennial, I think the energy shift also is visible, right? When you click like,
yeah.
so guys,
Yeah.
hi.
Yeah.
That millennial
Yeah.
energy shift is also there.
I know millennials are fucking losers.
Yeah, losers, man. millennials.
Energy shift in millennials.
Yeah.
Ah.
Because of the delay, right?
Yeah.
You get that.
You get a millisecond of BTS
Yeah,
before we
yeah.
start. Hey guys, and then you're giving away that you're not this person all the time.
But
Fair
yeah.
enough.
But you are Gen Z, if I'm
I
not
am
mistaken.
Gen Z. Yes.
How's it going, man? For your
Same
generation.
only. I don't think any different than you guys.
That's very millennial talk. that is the most millennial thing you've
Welcome
said.
to millennial, man. you're what, 26? So you're
I
like
just turned 26 10 days back.
okay.
Yes.
Alright, dude. Okay, 25. Okay, late 25.
25 and 366 days. That's how I'd
Wow,
like to
in
be.
my very late 25.
Okay. And so you are like bang in the middle of Gen Z, or you're like towards the end, you know?
Millennial is 96.
What's your date of
and
birth? What's your year of birth? What's your mother's maiden name?
90.
Quickly.
Show me your phone.
Your first
Quickly hack
pet's
him.
name. They always do this first pet, and it hurts me because I've never had one.
Yeah,
Reminds
all the
me.
questions are very US specific.
Yeah.
there. That is the problem.
Yeah,
Mother's maiden name, we
Yeah,
don't know.
when did you buy your first gun? We don't all do that here, man.
No, this if you play NYT games, that
Yeah.
sometimes these connections and strands and all, they'll have like very US
Very,
coded
very.
stuff. Like 2 days back, strands was like autumn.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
don't say autumn.
Bro, orchards is one.
We don't have autumn as a season here. So why would we learn that?
I took too many clues for that one.
Even Middle East is east for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's from their perspective.
Yeah,
Everything
for
is,
us it's
true,
west
true.
actually.
yeah,
Yeah,
and
true.
Middle East is quite a dumb thing to say.
Yeah.
It's like, what is that? Yeah, it's east. So it's all east, but this is in the middle of
Middle,
it.
Yeah.
Which
yeah.
is-
No, it's in the middle, but it's east for us. Like
yeah,
that.
yeah. It's kind of a way of saying this is part of that shit that we
Yeah.
don't consider the
But
main
a lot
one.
of times that also happen where like all this propaganda from any Eastern country will be like, why is it called East?
Yeah.
Why? Huh? Let's change it, and it doesn't change
Nah.
every few years.
Some things will never change. East or west is
East
east or
is
west is best.
East or west? East is
East
west.
is the best.
But actually, now that you bring it up, Middle East, Far East, they say for
Yeah.
Japan.
Yeah.
Which okay.
Yeah.
It's far for them.
Yeah.
It's near in a
It's
way.
near in the
Yeah,
other
yeah,
direction.
yeah.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
international date line,
Yeah.
we won't
Yeah.
get
Correct,
it.
correct.
But then, how is it Middle East? Because what is the Near East? Then it's Europe. Europe is
Near
the Near
East
The
should
East.
Near
be
East
like-
would be there, like Cuba and all that, I think.
No.
Cuba, bro, that's
It'll
beyond
be
Europe.
Eastern Europe will be Near East.
Eastern Europe is Near East.
Yeah.
They don't use yeah. I'm saying they don't use it.
No.
Middle East doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah, there's
as a
no Near
choice.
East. Yeah, fair enough.
Oh, there's no Near East.
Yeah, they never
There's
say
no,
Near
There's
East.
no Near East movement band called
Yeah.
which has a song called Like a G6 also.
See,
So-
these are the references. I don't get.
This is a very millennial song.
Yeah,
Like a G6.
I watched all the episodes of Broke Studio. I don't get half the references.
You don't know like a G6?
No,
It's a great party song, bro.
like a G6.
Popping
Like a
bottles
G-
in the ice.
house,
Not
Like
heard
a
it?
slither.
Yeah, not heard it.
No.
Damn.
Like a G6.
Man, it
like
was-
a
Tell me more
G6,
songs. What is this
like
band?
It's like our.
That is the song.
It's like chain smokers, but they didn't make it that.
Oh,
Yeah.
Chainsmokers, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
same. Like
It's
Far
the
East
same
Movement,
vibe.
Far East Movement, and I forgot. It was featuring
Dev.
one lady.
Dev.
Developer.
I just remember because my flatmate's name was Dave, and we would make fun of him. Like,
Who
hey,
are
like a
these people?
G6.
Who are these people?
Yeah, these are two-hit wonders.
Two
so,
hit
yeah, Fair
wonders.
enough. You were not. You were
Born,
like.
yeah.
I know you were born. Don't think
Yeah,
you're
Okay,
very young.
okay. When was
So
this song? G6, like a G6?
2000 and early 2010s. Yeah,
10,
2010.
yeah.
2010.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you were still. You had.
I
You
was
were
in
a
fifth.
person.
Yeah, I was in
Yeah,
sixth
Peppa Pig
grade.
you were watching at that
Peppa
time. Do you know
Pig,
that
yeah.
also?
Peppa Pig is next generation.
Oh, what was your cartoon?
My cartoon was like what? Doraemon or
Yeah, I
something.
figured it would be from the Far East. Something from the Far East. Doraemon.
People say, this anime came because these guys bombed and all that, and then they got sad and they made or something.
Oh, is that? Oh, the origin of it.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Wait, is this your next terrace reel you're practicing on us? Sorry, indoors it's not hitting that hard, man. You.
Indoor it doesn't hit much.
No,
Yeah. It's
the
a fact.
cartooning cartoon takeover of this one started in millennial only. Pokemon started with us.
Yeah, even Doraemon started during that time only. It just
Yeah.
spread to India, I think.
Pokemon is like, sorry, Doraemon must be like a spin-off of Pokemon.
I
right?
don't think so.
No?
I don't think you should be
spin-off?
commenting.
Doraemon was one of the Pokemons. you're
Is
saying.
it?
No.
I don't know. I know nothing. I didn't
Yeah.
watch Pokemon
Yeah.
or Doraemon.
What did you
Pokemon.
guys watch?
Pokemon.
You watch Pokemon?
Pokemon I have
Pokemon.
also watched.
Yeah, Pokemon 1, Pokemon Johto Journeys, which is the spin-off, which is like Pokemon 1 had like 150 or 151 Pokemons. And that was a lot.
Okay.
And then they went to Johto Journeys, where they expanded the universe with
But
like whatever.
Ash never grows old in Pokemon, right?
Which one?
Ash
Never grows old.
He stays
Nah,
he's the same.
even that what
That's not the only non-realistic thing.
Team
about the
Rocket.
whole thing.
Team Rocket.
Team Rocket. Oh,
Team
yeah,
Rocket.
Also, that Pikachu is not real. I don't know if you know this. It's made up.
What?
I've been looking for Pikachu out there, and people told me, bro, it's on the app. You have to find it.
Oh yeah,
I'm
people
like,
were doing that. no?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Pokemon Go.
Go.
It was so huge for a
Yeah.
while, and then there are some people who still do it. You know that?
Yeah. There's a subreddit for people who go and search Pokemon and all
Still-
now. Even now.
Now they must be full of that. Like the streets must be full of the Pokemon. No one's looking for them. They're like, bro, take me home, man.
No, we had
Like stray Pokemon.
It's like on the app, it's like got a bad eye, and it's like snot is dripping from
They're
the
like a
snow.
Pokemon ads, like pet don't shop and all that.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Adopt
Adopt, don't
a
shop.
Pokemon.
Adopt a Pokemon.
This is a rescue Pokemon. Yeah, some Charizard. I only remember 4 or 5.
What are
names.
your cartoons? What did you watch?
I was SWAT Cats.
SWAT Cats,
Big
Powerpuff Girls,
fan.
Scooby Doo.
Powerpuff
Powerpuff
Girls was there during time. Okay.
Yeah.
huh.
So you SWAT Cats you wouldn't have seen.
No.
SWAT Cats was big.
What is
was-
it?
It was
Two cats.
2 cats fly a jet plane and launch missiles and
Yeah.
kill villains.
One fat cat and one thin cat.
And every episode, whatever new villain is there,
Yeah.
whatever his strength is,
Yeah.
they have a missile already,
To
which is
neutralize
the
that.
weakness of that.
Yeah.
As
that
soon
thing.
as he asked you that question, I knew you would say something like
What?
some niche reference.
It's
or
not niche. SWAT Cats
like-
is now niche. This guy's given him a mission.
No, I've been watching all of yours just to understand what I
SWAT
should
Cats
speak.
is not niche. For
Okay.
millennials, it's not niche.
Okay.
Yeah. Obviously, now it's gone. Like, no one talks about it.
SWAT Cats is huge.
Dexter's Lab. You've heard of Dexter's Lab?
Yeah. Dexter's I
Yeah.
watched.
There
Yeah.
you go. That was good.
Even the TV show where he kills people, that one also.
Dexter.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's it's
yeah.
based on that. Yeah.
Yeah.
The
He has a
cartoon-
lab in that.
In that lab, yeah.
He has a sister in both.
Yeah. Is it
There you
DD
go.
in the series also?
The parallels are crazy. It's got to be a copy. He has a family. He has a sister.
Nobody called that out, no?
Nobody called
Nobody
that out.
called that out.
Johnny Bravo, you know?
Johnny Bravo, I know. Yeah.
Oh, so you know. Some.
It's weird how
There
some
is a
things-
there's a strange intersection, but
Yeah.
like the SWAT girls and all, I don't know.
SWAT girls,
girls.
no SWAT cats. Get
SWAT
your
cats.
fucking
SWAT
cats
girls.
But
right.
it's two girls, you said.
No, two cats.
It's two cats.
Male
but they're
cats.
women or male?
Male cats.
Oh, they're male cats.
Yeah.
Oh, no
now you're
representation.
interested, huh? The sexist. She's like, I want these lame
Yeah.
female cats flying a jet plane. What women can't fly a plane. They can't drive. How will they fly, dude?
But do you guys have some inherent sexism like that?
What?
You're talking about our generation?
Yeah, your generation.
Yeah.
I'm ready to speak for my generation. Don't accuse me directly. That's all.
But something must be left over, no? In you guys?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Zero.
I got nothing left, man.
Yeah.
Like if you're waiting at a metro station and in the start you can see the driver.
Women's coach.
No, you
Oh.
can see the driver of the metro in
Ah.
Bangalore Metro.
Yeah.
If you see a woman, does your generation get be like, next one?
Wait, so I don't answer that because we got an answer from him. His generation does feel that. He's like,
No, my
"You just feel how we
generation, my
feel."
generation skips the male one. We are like, we will go in this
Oh,
one.
damn.
That's why you guys are late everywhere. Right? You're not punctual
Like,
at all.
They're standing at what do you call 12th main for 5 hours. Like, no, my train isn't here yet. So what do you mean? 20 trains have come. He's like, bro, but she wasn't driving it. If she's not at the wheel, then he doesn't get on.
No, I have not I tried.
No, I have no
But
issues.
your parents though will be sexist.
Of course.
I'm sure they have inherent sexism.
Yeah.
Yes, in
So
some
doesn't that
form.
like pass on a little bit?
I mean,
no,
you should
bro,
not.
We did genetic recoding. We did.
Here's a lesson: don't listen to your parents.
Yeah.
That's a
CRISPR
good
technology.
point.
We have this camera.
Oh, no, we have this one.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah,
don't
yeah.
listen to your parents.
Yeah,
guys.
yeah. But Gokul, tell us more about you, man. The only thing I know about you is that you have no navel.
Holy
Yeah,
shit.
that is true.
No navel?
You didn't know that? Okay,
No.
yeah, why would you? Yeah.
Tamil Nadu market is going to be tough for him.
That's right. That's right.
true,
What did they
actually.
put on his poster? Like,
Yeah,
this
dude.
guy, we need to AI one navel on there.
Yeah.
But how does that happen?
I think in Tamil Nadu movie posters, that censor part is on
Yeah,
there.
they remove the navel.
Last show.
Yeah. Fast filling.
Parental guide is coming for
Yeah.
navel.
But you don't have a navel,
I
right?
don't have a navel.
Is that
It was
crazy?
it not like I was not born without it.
It closed.
What like Narnia door? Like just,
Closed later.
No, like some. Like all of us are born with that. What's that?
Umbilical cord.
Umbilical cord.
cord,
Yeah,
yeah.
it just gets a little bit infected.
Okay.
Oh.
So some people, all of yours, like when you cut it, there's some remnants.
Yeah.
Mm.
It just gets dissolved in your stomach.
Correct.
Okay.
So for very few people, it gets infected.
Okay, and
Okay.
it's, okay, so then you
And
have to
like-
seal it.
Not seal it. You take that portion out and then
Okay.
you stitch
Stitch it.
the other skins.
Oh,
like
so you have like a tight ab.
That's what you think, but the skin regenerates, no? So
Oh.
it just becomes like a
Regular.
normal.
Yeah.
It's just like closed over there.
It's just it's like a.
But over there, if you poke, you can tell that's where the
No.
navel is. Oh, it's become like proper.
It's a stomach.
It's filled up fully.
It's filled up.
Yeah.
Like full that
Wow.
Ambuja
God
cement they put on
damn.
my.
This guy,
For
wow.
Patreon, we'll have it on the Patreon.
Meet and greet will do.
It's
for
just
that.
full. It's like, okay, I get it. We have like an empty cup of coffee. Yours is
Yeah.
got.
There's
Yeah.
no cup.
Yeah,
You have
no
flat
cup.
white.
Yeah.
Half
Damn.
empty or half full. There's no cup.
But how?
How
but
does it
like,
feel, man?
Yeah, how does it feel like, and how do people react to it?
A lot of people always want to see it, of course. Like
Okay,
if you,
and the people who have seen it.
very few have seen
But
it.
also, why don't you stop wearing the I don't have a navel T-shirt so that people don't ask you or like, hey, let me see.
Ask me about my navel.
Yeah.
no
Naval
navel.
Academy graduate.
no navel Ravikant.
That's right.
No, but like
Yeah.
people get shocked. Like they like always want to see. That's one thing.
But
Yeah.
do you like just walking?
I
on
never
the-
show.
You never show.
I never show.
Respect.
Respect,
But when you're
yeah.
walking on the street,
Never put out.
That's for the last hour, no? That you have. The
yeah,
final hour.
that's
you
how I go.
have.
Like the machine, like that.
Yeah.
I'll come out with no navel. I'll come out.
like, but when you're walking on the street, do you feel like these people? They don't know.
No,
why-
ulta. I'm jealous of you guys.
Why, dude?
I don't know. I miss it sometimes.
What, there's not. It's honestly, it's one of the best things to lose.
Yeah.
There's no point.
No point in it.
If you had to lose an organ, what would you lose?
It's not an organ, firstly, navel.
That's how
Just letting you know.
that's how the doctor convinced me because I was shocked.
we donated your navel to.
You know what else is not an organ? And then they're like, "Whoa, doctor, I needed that." No,
Like
no,
you
it's
give
not.
anesthesia, you just wake up with like no things.
I'll give my kidney away, man.
Yeah, it makes
One
sense.
kidney,
One
like
kidney.
okay.
One is that's the
Really?
smartest thing
Yeah.
to give.
But
because you
it's
have
like
one.
you guys are getting older, you know that, right? So it'll be like a little bit
Okay.
problem will be for you
Yeah.
guys. Like to
I
Man,
understand the
listen.
theme of this episode.
Listen, you have more microplastics in your body before us.
How is that?
As in, it's there in you, right?
Yeah.
Like it's there in us. So
It's
we
all
are
of
all
us,
going,
like-
bro.
No,
Going.
we still eat like home cooked food and all. this.
Yeah. Oh, I have a cook also.
You
I-
guys are the ones who.
And we have stronger immunities because we've been exposed to the environment more.
Yeah.
You guys were brought
no,
up
the
by...
world got worse now, so we have better immunity. The baby
World
is
didn't
born
get...
now.
Who told you? bro?
Yeah.
Don't challenge.
the world.
How
World
bad
got
the world
better.
was when
What
we
is
were-
the alternative? World got
The
better.
world was way worse.
yeah, you don't know, bro. It was crazy.
How dare you claim your world is worse than ours?
1995, you had to be there, man.
No,
95,
man,
bro,
Dude,
nothing was
scorched
there.
earth.
We used to shit on the street.
Still like hanging out with grandmas,
to shit on the
grandfathers.
Yeah,
And
we used
then
to
we
have
used
that thing which dog walkers have to carry the
Yeah,
shit. We used to
scoop.
have that. We had to scoop it up and we had to go.
Scoop it up, spread
and we
it
had to go
out.
and keep it in someone else's house.
Remember that ad?
This is your own shit.
yeah, own shit.
Here's another ad you wouldn't have heard. Scoop it up, spread it out. Have you
Yeah.
heard this?
Kisan Jam.
I think it
No,
was.
I don't think that.
Maybe that.
Yeah.
Or maybe cheese, Amul cheese.
Cheese,
one of
Amul
those.
cheese. Yeah.
Chips, wafers.
Yeah.
Something parathas.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
scoop
I
it
know
up.
that.
No idea.
What are your ads, man?
Yeah, these guys. You wouldn't have had jingles a lot, no, in your ads.
They don't use that
Vodafone
word.
dog is like
Dog, bug.
famous ads. I'm thinking.
Mm.
I don't think they call it jingle, but that's like
Yeah.
it sounds like a word Gen Z.
The
will
vibe,
reject.
ad vibes.
Yeah.
What is that?
Address. What was the address?
How did brands riz with you guys?
Oh, you guys are. Oh, you're using Gen Z lingo to communicate with me.
explain to you.
Yeah. Okay.
How did they cook you guys? How did they cook with the vibes?
Yo.
Oh yeah, vibes were immaculate.
Vibes are immaculate.
Vibes were vibing.
I love how Gen Z says vibes were immaculate and they thought they invented the word immaculate. Like we didn't have that.
Yeah,
That was already in the dictionary, dude.
Long back.
That's like the
Yeah.
first big word we learned. I think.
Yeah, also it's like if we adopt some term, which happens, it spreads to the next generation, then it's not cool anymore. So if I say the vibes were really good today, Gen Z will come and correct you. It's supposed to be vibes were immaculate. But I'm just using language.
Yeah.
I can still say it.
Yeah,
in my
Gen
way.
Z lingo is a lot of incomplete sentences. Like I can't even.
I can't even.
They'll stop at that.
Yeah.
It's
I
giving.
know.
It's giving.
It's
is one
giving.
favorite.
Yeah.
It's giving.
That's just no.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it's just
it's-
justice also there. It's like
Yeah.
but yeah, so
All bad.
giving.
It's some things
Yeah.
like the one which I don't know if we've spoken about this, but thumbs up
Mm.
is considered aggressive now in some Gen Z circles.
Really?
So,
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't. Yeah, right.
What is it for you guys? What like
This
just
is
like
good.
It's
good, like all
good.
the best.
There you
Yeah,
go.
yeah,
So if
yeah.
you send one,
Yeah.
and some Gen Z
Like, if
will
you
be like,
say-
"What's wrong? What's his problem?" What's
Yeah.
that
If
fucking-
I say can I come on the podcast and you both say like this, that means like you guys
That's a
don't
no.
want me.
Did you know this Gen Z has made this a no? The all-time thumbs up,
Wait,
the all-time affirmative reaction.
We
Gen
made
Z
the-
has made it this.
So what is this for you guys now?
It's like passive aggressive.
No, but what is it? Like suppose you say come for the podcast. What should we say for you to feel invited?
Yes,
Rizzle
come.
my nizzle.
Rizzle my nizzle. Yeah.
what-
I'm
what-
fleeking right there.
Dude, we made the crying emoji the laughing emoji.
Yeah.
There you
that
go.
is the
Are you
biggest
seeing? Are you
180.
seeing the problem? I'm just saying. So wait, actually, yeah.
That's the
what
biggest
is-
180,
What is
yeah.
the right thing to say?
Yes, come. Let's come for the podcast.
Okay is also lame, right? Just okay.
Like the thing is, if you say okay, like O
Yeah.
and letter K, it's kind of
But
like,
okay, why is aggressive again?
No,
No,
that's
why,
aggressive.
why?
If why, nice. That's like okay.
Disgusting.
There's a bell curve.
Yeah,
of
yeah.
the okay,
Oh, the number
okay.
of Ys.
Too short, bad, middle, decent. Oh no, sorry, the other way. It's a reverse.
Yeah, you
one.
No,
do
it goes
text
like
like
this.
that.
I because I feel rude otherwise.
This guy text any last word.
Yeah.
The last letter of that word will have 3. This
Yeah.
one. Like he had a seizure
Oh,
while.
yeah.
Like I'll bring the
like
lights.
otherwise I will like overthink and be like, oh, maybe the other person will think I'm being rude.
I got it.
Like
What
that.
it is we in millennials people started using emojis.
Yeah.
So you guys went against the emoji thing. It's lame. So you use the okay
Yeah.
as a replacement to show your tone. Like,
Yeah.
okay.
No, so we had-
use emojis.
No, I'll tell you what
Not
we
as
had
much.
was we had T9 texting, which is I don't know if you know this. T9 dictionary is when you had SMSs
Yeah.
and when you had that
Yeah.
texting limit, right? So we had to reduce the number of
Oh,
letters
yeah,
per
yeah,
word.
180.
This guy is like,
Yeah.
what is
180.
this?
Yeah.
It's T for he thinks T stands for Tata. So it's like the oldest dictionary of all
Dude, so
time.
this is hilarious. Once in in our college there was one quota which is for NRIs to come in, right?
Yes, yes.
So all the good-looking ladies would be in there, and they would text like this, like what you're doing is WTUDING, something like
Yeah,
that, right?
yeah, yeah.
So one guy in my friends group wanted to get with a girl over there, so we were like, dude, just remove the vowels from your text, and you will she'll
That's it.
understand. She'll
Yeah.
understand that it is
Yeah.
you. Like she'll love that this and this guy he did it, but then the content was bad, right? So he would so
Nothing
she
consonants
was like,
could do.
So she was like, I'm going for a shower, and he was like, in Malayalam it is.
She SMS saying
Yeah,
I'm going for a shower.
I'm going for a shower. I'll talk to you later.
Oh, like
okay.
that, huh.
And
It's a
then
nice
he was
little-
like, I'm also going for a shower. Inki enne thanne naarnu, which is like I myself smell. I can smell myself right now.
And it's in a bad smell.
Yeah.
Yeah,
and,
before shower. Right?
And we were like, why would you text
That's
this?
like the first TMI of all time.
After that full
very
ghost.
bad. That's like that's legendary to get ghosted after that because she
Yeah.
said I'm going for a shower, which is like sort of like
Suggestive.
yeah,
and that
like,
too in college, that's like a
Yeah,
big
that's
thing.
huge.
Like, and a
That's-
college girl telling you
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
that's like insane.
Inki enne thanne naarnu.
He was like at the finish line, he fell down. He fell at the finish line and lost the
They
race.
gave him the medal through.
Medal fell off his head, and but that's crazy, dude. So you guys do use emojis,
Emojis,
you're
yeah,
saying.
yeah, yeah.
But there is a difference in usage. I don't understand what it is because I don't personally use emojis.
Like full stops became aggressive.
yeah.
That's
Full
another.
stops are
The
aggressive.
most
Grammar is
basic-
aggressive. Anything you do with
Thank God we don't write in Hindi because they would be so. This is like, yo, that's a wall. He's put up a wall. Don't fucking.
Full stops are aggressive.
yeah.
Emojis are not aggressive.
No.
Hmm.
Unless it's like
The thumbs up. Yeah.
Satan, that emoji or whatever.
the skull emoji.
There's the purple
that's
one.
good, right?
The
That's-
purple
yeah,
one. That's
that's
like for
Naughty.
Naughty.
Yeah, naughty. Yeah,
Naughty.
yeah,
And then,
yeah.
wait, do you guys use the fruits also? Like,
Eggplant.
No.
That's out, right?
That's like no. I don't use
Eggplant you use, no?
it. No.
You don't use, but now
yeah,
you're
maybe
speaking
I
for your
don't know.
generation.
Otherwise, I have to talk to somebody who speak like uses
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
I don't
What
know.
if you're making eggplant? Someone asks you, what are you cooking today?
It's like,
and you
can't-
send that.
Yeah, you don't have time means you have to send, no?
Yeah. What if someone asks, what are you doing? And you're washing brinjal right now. So you have to send the spray and the eggplant emoji. That was the original usage of
True.
that emoji.
True.
They
Yeah.
took it away from me.
Yeah, it was on
I'm
the-
washing brinjal. Someone asked me, what are you doing? I sent brinjal and that water.
Because of the
Quote
180
emoji.
characters, you wrote only that much. You're saying.
I'm like, this is what they invented
Yeah.
that for. Now I'm
No, we
banned.
used to say we used to say penis.
Ah,
and then they
the
would be like, oh, you're
classic.
washing brinjal.
Classic.
I send a key with every message I start.
Yeah.
I'm like, brinjal is penis. This is this. Send that first. Then
Oh,
you
like a-
pure emoji.
like a
called off.
legend.
Yeah, legend. like a legend.
like a map.
Just like a pie chart, like this color indicates this.
Man, but
But Gen Z World War II would have been like crazy, like because nobody could decode like
oh, Enigma.
Enigma.
Enigma code, yeah.
Sitting at Alan Turing is just going mad.
Yeah,
Dude.
There's like emotions that I
Yeah.
think with every generation we are learning how to put emotions into text
Correct.
more.
Yeah.
So Gen Z is even better at it.
Correct.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
like, I'm sure we
This is
we
correct.
fucked up many conversations because the tone has not been sensed correctly.
Yes.
So I
Even now.
even now.
So voice notes are maybe the
Yeah,
best.
voice notes.
Voice
Yesterday,
notes.
yesterday night we were discussing something. I was texting. I was like half asleep and texting. I texted. I pressed send, and I'm like, man, this
Messed
is
up.
so off that I
Yeah.
can't even edit it. Like I have to
Yeah,
delete
yeah,
and send again.
yeah.
And then I just like sent a voice note.
Yeah.
Proper clarity in
Yeah,
voice note, but
yeah.
texting is just like the
Yeah,
worst.
you have to add a flower in between in the emojis, and then someone who's never done that, it looks more aggressive.
Yeah.
Like, whoa, he's adding flower and all. He's like really pissed at me.
But yeah, man.
But we used to text like, you remember the thing with T9
What?
was you learned like also the keypad was like you could feel it.
Yeah, the keypad that I've
You've
used those
experienced
phones. Yeah,
that.
yeah.
I could text without I
Looking.
could text in my pocket. Like
Yeah.
I learned
Oh,
how
like
to
that.
text like
Yeah,
that.
okay.
we could text without looking.
That even now I can
How
do
can
like
you
that.
do it?
Because you can swipe, right? So I have the letters in my head. So
Yeah,
you can
but
just
the-
swipe.
how
it.
do you know?
First of all, the phones are bigger now.
It's
Yeah.
not tactile, right? How do you know where to stop moving your hands? You have an estimate in your head.
So there's a keyboard. You can swipe the word,
No, but
right?
there is
Without
like
looking.
Without looking, I'm saying.
Right now in your pocket.
Yeah, I can text you.
Text.
Let me
Okay,
see, yeah.
text.
Let's do it.
Okay, text right now. No, okay.
Text what you want. Let's see.
Okay, what do you guys want me to text?
Hey, when are we doing the podcast today?
Okay, I'm texting
Ah.
without looking now. See.
Hey, don't look.
Okay, fine. I'm just opening his chat.
Okay.
Yeah, done.
Hey, don't look. Okay.
I'm just
Okay.
showing,
Huh?
We're still
When are we
looking.
doing the podcast?
When are we doing the podcast today? Don't do eye contact and do it, dude.
When are we doing the pact today? It came.
Ah, so that's the
close,
problem.
Close.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you understand.
But
Yeah.
pretty close.
Yeah.
Not
That's
bad.
very close.
I
yeah.
don't think I can.
Podcast
do
is not. A,
No, mine will be
Okay.
like, are we gonna bang? Something like that. Like, this guy's a Mallu from Punjab, bro.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's why this sudden smattering of Hindi and everything. Now I understand.
Yeah, I used to be there for 10 years.
You
yeah.
can unite the country. Dude.
I
That's
am
what.
the-
That's your aim, right?
Yeah.
I can see this guy has
From
that.
the
I will
north.
bring north and south. together.
North
Yeah.
South together. so
Finally,
there
we
are
will
other people
break
for
bread
that.
together.
Like in Bhopal, there's like Last Supper.
Yeah, that's right.
In middle, they come everybody.
Coin parota and whatever.
Coin
Lacha.
parota.
Coin and
coin is
lacha.
the Kerala parota is called
Yeah,
coin parota.
Smaller one.
That's the smaller
Oh.
one, yeah.
Oh, the one which you get. Actually, that's a Tamil
spiral.
Nadu thing. Actually, coin parota.
Coin.
Whatever.
Yeah.
I'm saying south
Yeah.
is coin.
Yeah.
I chose one
And-
from the south
and
and
sarson da
lacha.
saag. Like,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
from
yes.
south,
Yeah.
yeah.
But yeah, so what is it, man? 26 years, how did you live your life?
I've never heard that phrase like that. How did you live your life?
Tell
Tell
me,
me,
live
tell
it
me, how did you live?
No, what is the answer to this question? Like
You
how-
want real talk, right?
Yeah, I want. Actually, yes, yeah.
Oh, here's
actually.
a question.
Yeah.
Kill, marry, hook up.
Punjab, Kerala.
No, that's the question.
Yeah, kill, marry,
Kill,
hook up.
marry, hook up. Choose
What do you
one.
prefer?
I marry, no. Okay. No, I'll start with life only.
Yeah,
There
No,
you
my
go.
dad has a government job. That's why, like,
Oh.
yeah, that's why we moved around. Like, so, not army, but
Refinery.
Like, yeah, petroleum company. So,
Oh,
Punjab.
like Hanuman kind.
Bharat Petroleum, BPCL, yeah. Hanuman kind.
Like his dad also is an oil guy. You're the
His
next
dad used to say in the refinery, run it up.
GKL OTW.
What is that?
Gokul.
Yeah, on the way, bro.
OTW, man.
OTW.
Yeah,
Oh, I heard
HMK
something
on the
else.
way.
Sorry.
Okay.
So I was in Punjab. I grew up there.
Nice.
So, but first 3 years some UP somewhere, and
Okay.
then 3 to 13 was like Punjab, like.
Where
so,
in Punjab?
Bathinda.
Oh.
That where
Industrial area.
where Kareena Kapoor misses her train. That's how I tell people. In Jab We Met.
Jab We Met.
Oh, I've not watched it.
You don't know what Jab We Met? What the hell? Come on.
Yeah.
You
Bro,
watched
you
Jab We
watch
Met?
watched it,
Podcasts,
yeah.
I'll watch Jab We Met, bro. But yeah. But Jab We Met, I've not watched it. No,
Okay,
no.
very nice movie.
It's based on Swordcats actually. It's very similar plot.
Imtiaz Ali made.
Yeah, casually, dude, inspired. He says, special thanks, Razor and T-Bone, he says at the end of the episode.
But I have a problem with this. Imtiaz Ali movies get like more credit than it deserves always.
Of course.
Really?
Anything he
100%.
makes, people immediately.
What are his movies? What are his
He,
movies?
see, he has an
Jab We-
aesthetic that people like.
Yeah.
I will say generally more in the north, but all over
Yeah.
India.
Like Love Aajkal,
Yes.
Jab We Met, Tamasha,
Cocktail.
Jab Harry Met Sejal. Cocktail is his?
I
Okay,
think so.
Okay.
I might be wrong.
None of these
Okay.
I've watched.
Not watch any of them.
Okay.
Rockstar.
Rockstar,
Oh, no, music only I've heard.
Yeah. So
best album this century.
Really?
Jesus.
This
By
century?
far.
and on Earth.
Bollywood.
Okay,
Okay,
oh,
Jesus. I
Or
was like-
Indian album, any. We had a whole discussion. I had a discussion with my friends.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's saying it like we decided.
We
It's
decided.
the best.
Yeah.
It's
No,
the
because
best.
I-
Gen Zs have decided.
I threw
Best
this
of all
album
time.
on the wall, and
Ah.
like any album didn't come.
Damn.
No
Oh,
album
best
came.
album
This
this,
guy- this guy
best
really-
Indian album.
Yeah, no album came close. You can throw any album.
Sayara.
No. Rockstar has 9 to 10 bangs.
Jesus.
Oh.
I think Delhi 6 also has a very
No.
good album.
Even this one, Delhi Belly.
Yeah, Delhi Belly is also very good.
Nothing came close, bro. 3-4 bangers. Tell like names of the songs
Wow.
in Delhi
So
Belly.
you are-
Bag, DK Bose, DK.
Yes.
Yeah,
Then DK Bose, DK Bag.
Yeah. And then DK,
The
DK,
reprise.
DK.
reprise
Saigal
version.
Blues. It has good songs,
Yeah.
but
Oh, Dave D.
Dave
Still
D is
then
also
doesn't
great.
we thought
What?
Dev Das, Jab We Met.
Dave D.
Yeah, Dev D, Dev Das, Tamasha. all these
Vasepur.
have, like, Veer Zara is a close one.
Gangs of Vasipur. Sneha Kanvalkar.
so do you listen to Rockstar every day
No,
morning?
it's just like a
Which
opinion
song?
I
Tum Ho.
have.
This guy strikes me as an emotional type of guy. Tum ho,
Me?
tum ho. Yeah.
Hey, I was feeling safe next to you, bro, because
Yeah,
of your
you are
depressed.
depressed.
You are an emotional guy.
Huh?
You're an emotional guy
I'm not
only.
emotional guy. I'm in touch with my emotions. That's how you say it.
Oh, bro.
Wow,
Third
pervert.
base.
Pervert.
Third base with your emotions.
Emotions is filing an
Forward.
FIR
Let your
against
emotions
me.
be, dude. Did you ask your emotions? If you
That they want to be
touched?
touched.
Please check with your. Ask for consent always.
Yeah.
Must be a lesson.
Oh my God.
Check with your.
Check with your
Check
anger.
with your emotions before you get in touch. All right. Ask for consent.
That is, yeah.
That's the next level of consent. We gotta take consent to the.
I
new-
think this will be like the next level of woke where you have
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
be,
Did you check with yourself?
Did you check with your
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I've been checking with myself is a very.
Oh,
it's already there.
What do you call? Therapy talk.
Yeah,
right?
therapy talk.
Yeah. Check in on.
Check in on yourself.
Check in on yourself.
Yeah.
But like I watched a lot of podcasts of yours, okay? So I have few suggestions.
Oh God.
Suggestions.
Yes. Feedback,
Oh
as you
my
may
God.
call
Who
it.
asked for this?
Yeah, one thing,
We'll
you guys
cut it
have
out.
removed the segment part of the podcast.
Which segment? The
There
small
are-
talk.
I know. I mean, you guys have not cut it into segments anymore.
That's true.
Oh, it's YouTube
yeah,
chapters.
Yeah, YouTube chapters.
Okay.
So I don't know what thing to watch. Now to watch the whole thing for everything.
Yeah.
That helps with lower attention.
You want to keep the retention to a nice
Yeah,
number.
Nice 3%.
If it goes too far up, we're like
Yeah.
uncomfortable.
okay.
Yeah, that is one thing.
Okay, cool. What is
Yeah.
the second thing?
Another thing is like I think you guys can do something to increase the comments, right? So I'll do one thing. Like, I think you should tell them a question. Let
Yeah.
them answer it in the comments.
Go for it.
And people will be like, "What is this comment for?"
Yeah.
Yeah,
And everybody will be watching that.
Gen Z tricks too.
Gen Z
Also,
tricks
you're
too.
like you're trying to you're like a social media manager.
Yeah.
See, I have come like because Kanan Gill you guys called on
Yeah.
podcast.
Yeah.
And like,
Okay.
you have called me. Now I can't compete with those views. So
Right.
I'm like, from Reel to YouTube, we'll
So
drive
what,
some views.
What do you say?
Okay.
What do you what do you
Okay,
mean?
guys, what is the capital of Syria? Just comment.
what?
That's all. They'll comment Damascus and be like, "Oh, what the fuck?" Like that.
Oh, this is damn! These are the tricks, huh? The new generation. Man, we got so much to learn. I think the future is
I'm
safe.
50-50 on that idea, bro.
I'm telling you, if 15 people comment Damascus or whatever capital
That will
of
give you
Syria
free
is,
ticket to Damascus.
you see, people will be like, "Bro, that'll be the most replayed part on your podcast in the middle."
There's an unrelated question between like,
Yeah.
hey, I was in Batinda, but by the way, guys, this one's for you guys at home.
Yeah, do that. Like, I'm telling
okay,
you.
okay, cool.
I'm telling you, 20 people will
Nice.
comment
How
the
many
capital.
stars on Syria's flag? Comment that.
Oh, yeah, comment
That's
that,
another
guys.
one.
How
Yeah.
many?
Let them come.
Okay.
It's there. It's more than one.
It's
Okay,
there.
I thought it's gotta be 50 because
No, no.
US
Okay.
is over
That's-
No,
Syria
you
right
can't
now.
go
So
to-
comments, we are done. Second
Sorted.
part.
Next.
Third part is oh yeah, a lot of
thumbnail.
people. Thumbnail.
Put a-
no,
put
thumbnail
a-
is fine.
Yeah.
EDM thumbnail. Just a
No,
girl in a
no.
bikini. Get clickbait.
Oh, just both of you.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
like,
yeah.
24-hour mix.
Oh, when
And
does this
Ibiza.
happen?
and I'm in the middle like
Yeah,
shock.
yeah, Ibiza,
Ibiza.
Ibiza
Summer
playlist.
2025 love playlist.
Shamik and Gotham did what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like that. Like yeah.
We should do that.
Oh yeah, we never do an expression for a thumbnail.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
The reaction
Yeah.
channel one.
Oh,
you know,
yeah,
You see the reaction channel one, they're like, and then you watch the whole video. They're like, oh, this is
And that
good.
guy's not even there.
Yeah. yeah.
It's just on the thumbnail.
And they never are surprised at the level as they are
Yeah.
on the thumbnail.
Yeah.
Like that was pretty good. I'm like,
Okay.
fuck off, dude. Anything else?
Yeah,
Well-
next one, yeah. So you guys have got a lot of guests and all that,
Yeah.
right? So now your audience is spoiled, right? They're like,
Okay.
where is Biswa next?
Yeah.
When is this
So
guy
do
next?
one solo.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying they're spoiled. I'm telling them like, please appreciate these two also.
Thank you so much.
Do not hate on them. I know Gotham is from
I-
IIM and all that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think you are making them. I don't think they were thinking about hating us until you brought it
Yeah,
up.
man, it kind of made it weird.
I didn't realize we have this problem until he pointed
Dude,
out.
I saw nobody's appreciating you guys. Everybody's like, hey, where is this guy next? When is this guy next?
It's
Yeah.
fine, it's
Oh,
fine.
actually,
Yeah.
I saw like some people want to
it's fine.
bang Shamik and all.
What?
Like, just like,
No, in my video, people have commented they want to bang Gotham. So
Oh,
I think
okay.
it's just to irritate everyone.
Yeah,
They're like,
yeah,
they want me
yeah.
to see that.
We understand you guys. We know you love us, right,
Yeah,
guys?
yeah.
Guys.
Comment love and Syria or whatever.
Yeah.
the two things.
capital of Syria.
Separately. Love Damascus. It's going to confuse
Oh, it's
everybody.
the oldest capital in the world. Fun fact. Yeah.
Really? Oh
Yeah,
my
okay.
God.
Next.
Are you sure? I
Yeah.
thought it was A, capital A. Sorry, I had to try. Oldest capital in the world.
Yeah, that's crazy, no?
Right, okay, basically they didn't move that capital
Yeah.
Yeah,
after
it's
an
never changed.
invasion.
Yeah.
Basically, in Syria, other cities didn't
Yeah.
work, didn't hustle
Yeah.
like other countries
Yeah,
had their cities.
because
hustle.
even like Egypt, like when it
Cairo,
was
yeah.
your Tutankhamun time, it was like Thebes was the capital, and then they made it Cairo for administrative.
Yes.
Yeah.
yes.
Oh,
For
so
us also.
you're like a GK guy or what?
No,
Like,
no, no.
Any more interesting facts you want to throw at us? Or you want to ask a question?
Oh,
or
do you
something?
guys
Yeah,
like to?
go for
Wait, dude,
it.
we are both quizzers.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
quizzes.
Both quizzes,
I was
no?
born
Yeah, oh,
in
great.
question mark shape when I was born. Which is kind of how most babies are born.
The
like-
umbilical cord was
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah. I was like this and they cut it and they kept that for the dot.
a boy or girl question.
The Riddler has been born. That's how the Riddler was born. All right, ask.
Ask a question, bro. Come on.
Ask
Give us a
us.
GK question.
Like
Baby
this oldest capital.
Oldest
Give us some-
capitals, huh? Okay.
Not capitals anymore.
No capitals. I
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
I watched another podcast of yours. I've heard you're good at like capitals.
No, that's made up.
I watched all the
Aman
stuff.
Said,
Yeah.
Aman said that I'm not good
Yeah.
at capitals. I
Yeah.
know the one he asked, I knew it worked out.
And it
really
was
well.
wrong, no?
It was X capital. It had changed.
Yeah. That's wrong only.
What, you said Calcutta for India?
See, in here, there's only one capital.
Oh, you're Bengali. No?
Yeah.
Sure,
Yeah.
yeah.
Go for it, man.
Next
Yeah.
question, huh? Which is the only Southeast Asian country not to be colonized?
Japan. Oh, sorry.
Not to be
There's
colonized.
Yeah.
Not to be colonized. I think I know this. Wait. Got to be colonized. Southeast Asian.
Southeast Asia. Okay, let's see. Japan has been colonized. China has not been colonized.
I
China
don't-
by
Chi-
Japan,
I don't think
kinda.
China counts as Southeast Asian.
It does.
No, it's just East
East
Asian.
Asian. Okay.
Southeast Asian.
Malaysia.
Malaysia, truly. Oh,
Indonesia.
Singapore.
No, Singapore was not even a.
Oh no, it has been
When
gone.
do I
Of
give you the
course.
answer? Like,
One second,
Wait,
hold
wait,
on.
wait.
We'll
Okay.
tell a final guess. and
okay,
then-
yeah, we'll decide and tell one. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's some Laos or some shit like that.
Cambodia. No, bro.
Cambodia, I
Cambodia.
think, has
Angkor Wat
been-
has been conquered for sure.
Yeah.
Angkor ki waat lag gayi bhai.
Man, these are the jokes you do in college. Some
Yeah.
people will be there. His
We
name is
love
Ankur,
Ankur,
and then Angkor
100%.
Wat.
Yeah.
Bro,
But
one guy
at
was there.
least it's little educated joke. Like you know Angkor Wat. You know? You're showing
Yeah,
some
one guy was there, Nitesh Soni, in our college.
Yeah.
Just like every time, like he gets angry, like so Sony de nakre. So
Oh.
just start with those like jokes.
course.
Like,
Okay, with the answer.
Answer,
I'm going
yeah.
with Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Thailand.
What?
Yeah.
I mean, they have been conquered by
Have you
Indian
been there?
uncles.
Indian uncle.
Have you been there? Dude? They've been colonized. They don't know it yet. The economy is driven from
Yeah.
outside only.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's true.
Indonesia,
Yeah, but never
Thailand.
colonized. Yeah.
Nice man. Good
Yeah,
stuff.
interesting.
So
Interesting.
don't be too happy with yourself, Thailand. It's
Yeah,
coming.
it's coming.
we are
Soft-
coming back.
It's like how China has kind of soft conquered Africa, but they don't really know it. But yeah.
I'm sorry, but technically India has also not been colonized as India as it exists right now.
Yeah.
Oh, like that. Oh, right.
Just
right.
saying. I'm just saying. You know,
Yeah.
Technically,
yeah. If
Pakistan also.
Pakistan.
Same time.
Man, don't bring the mood down, man.
the exact
Don't
time.
remind me that they also have not been colonized.
Man, you have the glasses also to do that.
Yeah,
Actually,
this is great. Also,
Yeah.
this is great if you want to look like you're thinking, right? Really
Yeah.
like he's really thinking right
That's
now. He's coming up with some ideas.
I should take a shit.
yeah. You don't have 20/20 vision.
Yeah. I have the most screen time in my family and the only guy with no glasses.
There you have it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the solution.
Wait, before this, where were we? Podcast suggestions. I was telling
Yeah,
you
yeah.
podcast
Oh, one more.
suggestions.
Yeah, one more.
Oh, you have more?
You have more?
Man,
Yeah,
this
guess
guy's come to-
this. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Then I went through like a lot of podcast clips, right?
Yeah.
So we have to go viral in clips. right?
We?
Yeah, we-
okay. All right.
All right.
Okay.
We have to beat the previous numbers.
This
Okay,
guy's
got it.
gonna
Got it.
send
Okay,
us-
this episode you're saying.
This
You
episode.
want to? Okay, got it. Cool.
Yeah, this episode has to beat whatever the highest is, whatever,
Okay.
which
Ah.
is very hard.
Okay, but
right?
we'll try.
It's okay. You don't have to collab with the reel or
Okay.
something. But like just that clip on that page. You have a Broke Studio Instagram
Yeah,
page,
we do,
right?
we do.
We'll do that. There I'll spam. You guys just give me the edit.
Okay.
I'll spam. One clip always goes viral is
Uh.
right. You have to say something very emotional, right?
Okay.
In
But,
the
and they
video.
put the background music.
Oh.
All that. you know.
Okay,
Yeah.
Nice.
But you guys say something very serious. We'll put that emotional. back.
Okay,
Oh.
so you will
Edit it for
you
us?
have something that you have to say?
No, you guys will say it.
Oh.
Emotional.
Broke Studio is for you guys. Yeah. But say something serious. We'll put the
say it,
emotional
bro.
music.
Say it.
Say
I've
something
been revealing
very-
too much about myself on this podcast, apparently.
Say something very mundane, and then we'll put one emotional
Yeah.
music.
This guy,
Oh.
I know what you're talking about. You're basically trying to get the comedy audience, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, bro. Thanks.
I think
no, this is an attack.
we'll talk and then we'll find that moment.
Oh,
And when
comedy
we-
is like poem plus comedy.
Yeah,
Oh, I
comedy.
heard. I thought podcast plus comedy.
No, comedy.
Oh,
The
no.
ones that
they
like,
took that already. We
They
can't
took that
say
already.
Yeah,
oh, shit, we
yeah,
can't
yeah,
do that. We have to
yeah.
like a small P.
Yeah,
right?
small P. Comedy 2. It's really sad when an acronym or whatever has
Has,
a
like,
number, a
already taken.
sequel.
Man. You know, Amul sells banyan also, but it's a different company.
yeah,
Yeah,
Amul
yeah,
Banyan,
Amul,
yeah.
that's
It's
crazy.
not the same company.
Yeah, it's not the same
the
because
font is very similar.
It's not. It's
They-
the same parent company. Right?
no, it's because they don't sell the same products. You can see
Oh.
it's the same name.
You can't do that.
Yeah, that's what they said apparently in the quote.
That's
Yo,
So you
insane.
can sell Coca-Cola socks or something.
Yeah.
Like,
At least at some point were they together and there was a split.
I don't think so.
That
Amul started as of a milk company, right?
comment Damascus if this is true.
Any comment?
Any comment, Damascus.
Yeah.
Yeah, anything you want is
Start the
Damascus.
comment section
Yeah.
with your
Yeah.
Damascus.
First of all,
Damascus,
Damascus.
loved this episode.
3 Damascus talking together. I don't know.
Sitting on a tree.
We don't want to insult the oldest capital like that.
Yeah, man, come on, that's heritage.
It's heritage. Have you eaten
Mourinho
Syrian
said.
food?
Syrian food?
It's
no.
good.
Oh, okay. This
We
is
But
put
this
like
is the one which has
This
the
is the
emotional music.
oh yeah.
But what is Syrian food? What does it comprise of?
It's
Meats.
classic meats, Middle Eastern. It's like, tandoori
Ha, ha,
with
ha,
less spice. As you
Okay.
move to that side,
Yeah.
it's less spicy but fragrant.
Got
Different.
it.
I'm gonna say things like Zatar maybe.
Yeah, okay.
And words like that.
Ah.
Correct. Say Damascus if I'm wrong. Alright.
Another thing you guys.
Now we have to interpret which Damascus it is in the comment. We'll reply like, bro, I think I get what he's saying.
Yeah,
We're
I
gonna-
get it.
It's gonna be
I'm hooked already.
Bro, you see 50 comments Damascus if it comes. It's a success.
success.
Yeah.
And then it'll go viral in Syria also, right? People,
Yeah.
like
People-
YouTube
Oh,
because YouTube
algorithm
algo will
send
be
it
like, oh,
there.
people are
Oh,
Damascus.
dude,
Like, oh, I
Damascus,
guess we
people are
send it
nuts.
there. And then our podcast will end. It'll be the end of our podcast.
You can, what another thing you guys can do is like for reels, right? Say like top 3 things.
Let's do that. You
Yeah.
got a top 3? Let's do top 3.
Yeah, let's
Yeah.
do top. Yeah, what are the top
You
three?
are a sports guy, right?
Sure.
Yeah. So
Top 3.
Bro, we'll go
Liverpool
viral in that
players.
sports area. You guys are not covering sports as much. I
No,
saw
no,
that.
no. We covered sports. No, no, no.
Sure, we cover sports, but sure. Let's
Yeah,
go
yeah,
for
yeah,
it.
we cover sports. I'm not big on sports. That's why.
Correct.
I'm big on NBA. But
No,
then,
I'm saying-
then that is enough. Then
I'm
someone will
saying-
say NBA, and then they'll be like, oh, look at this fucker talking
This
about.
Gautam just says NBA so we can bring up
All
NBA.
BS he speaks. BBA,
Man, it's
MBA.
not about you, bhai. Tera kya problem
Yeah,
hai?
the National Basketball Association is what I was.
What is your you are into sports?
Yeah.
Cricket.
Yeah.
He's big cricket guy.
No, cricket, football,
Oh, yeah,
tennis.
football. Dude, he supports
F1.
Real Madrid, dude.
Man.
What's the point, dude?
We beat you guys all the time.
What's the point?
If you support Real Madrid basketball, then I
That's respect.
Bro, I used to
Luka Doncic.
Doncic. Oh, Luka Doncic.
Ex Luka
I
Doncic.
used to like Ronaldo. He moved to Real Madrid and so I just started.
So what do you
supporting.
like?
So why
Al
did,
Ittihad
yeah, why
also.
not Al Nasser?
Al
Al
Nassr.
Why
Nassr,
not
no.
support Al Nasser?
Because now I grew up as a person. So team.
Oh, that's
Oh.
conveniently stopped at,
The most
Spain. He's
successful
like, I'm
team.
not leaving Spain. As a fan, he's like, my fandom ends in
The
this
opposite
country.
of Columbus.
Yeah.
I'm not leaving Spain.
No, yeah,
like-
but top 3. What is your top
yeah,
3?
I want to ask him.
Top 3 Saudi.
Bro, we'll do top 5 top 3s. We'll do.
Top 5 top 3s.
This was great.
This is crazy.
No one's
I'm
done
telling
this
you,
before.
we'll cover all topics.
No one's done this before.
Yeah, 5 reels will be there, right?
This is like one, like a
Top
flow
5,
chart.
top
It'll be
3.
like this.
Yeah,
a
you go-
tree of.
Top 3?
Oh yeah, top 3 trees.
Top 3
Top
trees.
three.
First one is
trees.
Shamik for me.
No, I'm going. Number 1 is Sandalwood, bro.
Sandalwood.
Sandalwood
That's
tree.
a film industry, right?
Hey.
Oh man, trees is a tough one. I'm not into
Sandalwood.
trees.
Redwood tree.
Coconut tree just because I love coconuts.
Hey,
Alright.
You and Janvi Kapoor have the same top 3.
I can't believe I took
Param
the
Sundar
coconuts
and
before.
Sundari.
Param Sundara.
Before you two, I jumped at coconuts. And then before that too,
We are
they
offended.
grabbed the obvious one. But we have
Dude,
coconuts in
ask
Bengal
me-
also. That's
yeah,
the
top
thing.
dessert, I'll say Rasgulla, bro.
I don't
You
do
have to say it like Rosogolla.
Rashogolla.
Rosho, okay.
But yeah.
Yeah, I'll say coconut. I'll say I'm gonna say Christmas.
Christmas tree. And family.
Family. Those are my top 3. Yeah, put the emotional music after family.
Oh yeah.
We got it.
Perfect. We cracked it.
All right.
yeah.
So yeah, coconut tree.
Coconut tree, Christmas tree, family tree. All
Those are my-
We had the tear effect, right? The rain
Yeah,
rain
yeah.
effect we need over here.
Top. Did you ask top 3 or
Yeah,
top
top three.
3? So then I just said
top
one.
3, top 3 trees. All right.
All right, you go for one.
Top 3 trees?
No. Top
Okay.
3 movies.
Oh, that is like.
About trees.
It's too serious. About trees.
About trees. Now you really have to
Oh,
think.
yeah.
If you can think of 3.
About trees.
Really tough. Really
Yeah.
tough. Is
Yeah.
there one?
Param
also?
Sundari has to be there because
Oh.
just because she climbs
Yeah, she
on
climbs.
the trees. Yeah.
Hey, Lord of the Rings.
That doesn't have a tree.
That's the ants. You know, they
Oh,
walk
the
around.
tree, walking tree. Yeah.
Have you watched Lord of the Rings?
No.
You haven't watched Lord of the Rings?
Yeah.
Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Harry Potter, you read or you watched?
I'm not big on
Books.
reading fiction.
You're not book on.
You read facts. No, a serious question. You be reading facts all
Top
the
3
time.
facts I should do.
People don't get why we're doing this.
Yeah.
And it's because, go to his Instagram profile.
Yeah.
You'll
Yeah,
understand.
correct.
Yeah, he's
Guys
like
comment Damascus on my reels. also.
yeah, he's the new fact influence,
Factoid.
fact
Yeah.
influencer.
Factfluencer, yeah.
Fact fluence.
You got to say that properly.
You guys are fat shaming. That's what you guys are. Yeah. You guys are.
Yeah, okay. Give another category.
What is
Top
that?
3.
Wait. Let's see. Top 3.
Top 3 sports finals.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
the.
This is for the sports market.
Yeah.
I mean the the two that come obviously to mind are
2022
the recent,
final.
recent cricket world, the football
And the 2019 World Cup final.
19 World Cup, England, New Zealand,
Yeah.
Argentina, France.
France. Argentina France is like best final
It's
of
the
all
best. You
time,
can't
probably.
beat that.
Yeah, that's
Um,
very hard to beat.
It's really tough.
Closest one will be for you only. Liverpool,
Yeah,
AC Milan.
of course. That's the ultimate.
Yeah.
Fun. That's
Istanbul.
number one.
That's number one for you.
Istanbul is number
Istanbul.
one.
Istanbul is number one.
Yeah, Istanbul is great, bro.
I
What a
mean,
comeback.
3-0 down to against a team that is the
With
best
AC
team.
Milan, yeah.
They were
Yeah.
that time. Kaká was just like
Cafu.
Cafu. They were
Mar-
just
Yeah,
Maldini.
dude, guys, Kaka, that final destroyed him. He's a rapper now.
Yeah,
in
Polo.
Haryana. Kaka ji.
oh Kaká.
Istanbul is number
No, I
one.
don't have a top. Mine is also very similar to yours only. Mine will have some NBA final also will be
Yeah.
there.
But
It'll be-
LeBron coming back is
no,
it there?
that I mean I like Warriors, bro.
Oh, you're a
I
Warriors
don't know.
guy. Okay.
I don't. So I didn't like Warriors that time, but now I like Warriors.
Okay, because Curry.
Yeah. There's
Okay.
no other reason.
GSW.
And they're playing. They play like Barcelona, the tiki taka. They play
Right.
basically.
Hmm.
I mean, Spurs played that
Yeah.
tiki taka, but then these guys play
Correct.
tiki taka, but they give the ball to Messi
Under
always.
Pop, Greg
Huh.
Popovich.
Yeah,
that time.
Popovich. Yeah, that guy. That was proper.
Yeah.
Like if you watch like
Yeah,
what
yeah.
2002 Spurs.
Yeah.
It's literally like you're like okay, he's gonna like he'll be here,
Yeah.
he'll throw it here, there.
Yeah,
Finally,
yeah.
they'll find one guy who's alone.
Yeah. But it's and Tim Duncan.
Yeah,
and
yeah, Tim Duncan.
What's that guy name? The
Ginobili, Tony Parker,
Manu Ginobili.
Manu
That guy was
Ginobili,
amazing.
Tony Parker.
No idea.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing team.
Top 3 sports achievements.
Sports achievements.
Yeah. Which is
LeBron highest points.
That's very hard to beat, is it?
Very hard to beat.
I think Nadal's Roland Garros
Yes,
is like
yes.
hardest to beat.
I mean, but that Nadal was okay. Nadal Roland Garros. Yeah, correct.
No
correct.
one will beat that.
I think any sport, I think that's the
Yeah,
highest.
I believe that's the highest. I've
I
said that.
think
also.
that should
How
be
many
the-
times did he win that?
16
16.
something.
Oh,
Yeah.
disgusting.
The best tribute also ever. Did you see the tribute they gave him? Like
This
they-
year only, no.
Yeah, they put his footprint is on the center court clay on the side permanently. It's an
Oh,
insane
beautiful. Yeah,
fucking
yeah.
reveal.
And like before the match, they bring him on, like saying that this guy is 7, 8, 9.
And
then
he won it from the first time. He
Yeah.
came and he won it.
Yeah.
The 2 times that he didn't win.
He was like,
once
what, 18, 19?
injured. Yeah.
Yeah.
He was injured once when Federer managed to win.
Yeah.
And Soderling beat
Correct,
him.
Nadal, yeah.
Got Nadal out of the way.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
lost in
That's
the
the only way
final.
Federer
Yeah.
won.
Yeah.
Did that Wimbledon final where Federer lost to Nadal for the first time?
He
2008.
cried.
I cried. I don't know about he, but I couldn't stop crying, bro.
No,
2008.
Big
no, you're a
Federer
big
fan.
Federer fan.
Big Federer. fan.
Same. Love
Like,
Federer.
It's so. My love is so much. I like. He's retired. I still buy his stuff.
Yeah,
Even
I mean, he has that kind of
Even
fandom.
2019 Wimbledon final when Djokovic like
Yeah, I mean that. After that, like I knew that he was
It's
like.
over.
but that was one of the best tennis he's ever played. Like,
yeah, but he was playing the saber tennis, right? That
Saber,
yeah.
you're coming forward.
Yeah,
Yeah, that
it's-
was before that.
What is
yeah.
that US Open final? Do you remember where he had
That is
won it?
semis. Djokovic won.
Semis, yeah, where he had
semis.
won it, and
Yeah.
then that one
Yeah.
return, Djokovic
Same thing
destroyed
happened in
him.
2019.
Yeah.
1
Yeah.
point away.
and everyone started booing him, and Djokovic is like,
Yeah.
now I got
He's
it.
like, I'm hearing Djokovic.
And
when they
he
say
lost on
Federer.
serve. He was
Yeah.
serving.
Yeah, he mentally broke him that time. That was crazy.
That is great. Yeah,
I-
Djokovic has that.
Yeah, I do like.
yeah.
I mean, I don't support one, but I like Djokovic just because, like, the amount of hate he gets.
Yeah,
and then
manages
comes
to
out of
win,
it,
It's
yeah.
and
insane.
he's like
Mental
a
strength.
Terminator. He is like he
Yeah.
eats like this many
Yeah.
grams.
His
Yeah.
lifestyle is
He's
fully
complete
dedicated.
dedicated to that.
Complete
He
yeah.
dedication.
doesn't put any
Didn't take
injection.
vaccine.
No
didn't take
injection
vaccine,
into
yeah.
No
body.
injection.
He could have had one more Grand Slam because
Yeah.
he didn't go to play.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's and then once he hit that woman.
Yeah, and then he got disqualified
the
that
referee,
way.
He got
Hit a
disqualified.
woman on
In 1 year, same year, he f***ed up 2 times.
2
like
slams.
times.
Yeah. He would have had 26 then. Like he's
It's
just playing so that he wins
unbelievable.
25.
Unbelievable.
He's just playing for that.
Top 3 food dishes.
Wow.
Top 3 dishes.
You made me. You gave yourself sports, and for me, you're like, nah, you fatty.
Which one is better? Hey, top 3 chutneys.
Top 3 chutneys.
good
White
one.
chutney number 1.
No.
Why? No, easy.
Racist,
Easy.
racist.
Coconut chutney, bro. It's not
Yeah.
racist.
Not number 1. Not
Yeah,
number
dude, white
one.
chutney easy
Coconut,
number 1.
bro. Coconut.
Coconut.
Coconut tree number 1.
Especially
Coconut
the
tree
one
number 1
picked
chutney.
by Janvi. I had that
How
chutney.
dare you take that coconut from my favorite tree?
White is number 1. I always ask extra white.
Okay, white is number. I always ask extra white.
We can't include podi, right?
No, podi. No.
It's
Because
like
podi would win.
It's not
Yeah.
chutney.
But then you have to do top 3 sides or something.
Top 3 sides. Hummus.
Hummus is
And
Hummus,
then-
yeah, I'll put hummus.
Hummus is number 1. Hummus
Yeah.
with anything. Hummus is good.
Does it beat white chutney?
With dosa, yes. With dosa, like in,
No.
no,
With
yeah,
dosa,
yeah,
no.
with dosa,
Dosa,
no.
no.
He's like, oh, I only
Dosa
have
and hummus.
with dosa. Everything else white
I go to Rameshwaram and be like,
Pita bread and
Pita
white
bread,
chutney.
Can you give him coconut chutney?
yeah,
I think hummus would, now that you say it, hummus would be good with dosa also.
yeah, hummus
Obviously
is
not
crazy.
coconut chutney level, but it would be
Hummus
good.
is crazy.
Hummus is a
No,
banger.
okay, I'll tell you. Side number 2, makhana.
Oh, we are
That's
including...
that's like alcoholic side. Like
No, with regular food, I have roti, dal, and makhana. I
But
have.
I'm sorry, if you're talking pure taste, French fries are unbeatable.
No, French fries. I'm
You guys
not
are
a
not
fan.
French fry
Overrated.
fans?
Overrated.
You think it was overrated?
Very, very overrated.
I think French fries
Did you know
is-
that it's not from France also?
Yeah, oh, it's
Oh,
not
that
fried
changes
also.
everything.
It's
no?
not fried also, actually. No, French fries I think are awesome. Best French, like well-made French fries. Popcorn, big fan of popcorn. I think more than makhana.
I like the
taste-wise.
popcorn chicken.
Oh, so these are like snacks we have come to. now, like,
Yeah,
So give
sides
one
is
proper,
tough.
give like limited, like
Okay,
sports
then
final.
chutney we'll do then.
Chutney, white chutney,
White chutney one.
white chutney, red/orange, whatever the chutney
Yeah.
is, and then green chutney. Yeah,
Wow. Mine is green chutney one.
disgusting.
Pudina chutney.
No,
Pudina,
this is
why
the-
would you want pudina?
The Punjab.
This is the Punjab.
The
Like, yeah.
Punjab is coming out.
You don't
in
have
them.
pudina chutney? You've never
Dude,
had
it's disgusting. I hate it.
pudina dhania chutney like that?
it's good.
If you add more words, it doesn't make it tastier.
Bro, it is so good, I'm telling you.
No, I don't like it at all. I like this one.
My cook makes the best, dude.
Yeah?
Dude, my
With
cook
what?
just makes the chutney.
What do you have it with you? Paratha?
Paratha, yeah.
Paratha.
Your cook
and
is from north or?
Nepal. Dude, I was just coming. This actually happened 30 minutes ago. I was coming. It's like, somebody rang the bell. Nobody was there outside the door. He got scared. He's like, bro, what is like some, like, आपको क्या करना है भैया? आप ladies लोग का सामान रख दीजिए घर पे. Then all this ghosts and all don't come, it seems. First he said, ladies लोग का सामान रखो. I'm like, where am I gonna get some ladies sindoor and like chappal and all that? And he's like, no, something like the ghost
There's a
won't
ghost.
come.
Oh,
He thought
the ghost
this-
is the shy or what? Introverted.
There's another ghost telling, hey, have you met this?
Damn.
It's a shy to talk to.
Next time bring paratha, bro.
Yeah.
I'll bring, yeah.
Please.
Have you guys had paranormal activities?
Paranormal activity? No, I'm not. I'm not a big...
Are you a believer?
No.
No.
No, right?
No,
Okay.
it's easier to not believe, man. If you believe it, like you're getting
Nah, you
fucked.
should not believe, bro.
Then you're just
Stop.
cautious every step of the...
Yeah, I don't believe.
No,
certain-
nothing.
I've heard
There's no
ghost
reasoning.
stories.
Like if I'm that guy, if they say that some rumor is there in this part of this town, if you go on this street at
Yeah.
this time, you will disappear. No one comes back.
Yeah.
I will believe no one comes back, but I'll be like someone is murdering them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You're like
yeah,
a,
yeah.
Yeah.
Occam's
You're like a-
razor. You
yeah,
do the...
yeah. It's
you're a
the
data guy.
100. I mean, I don't believe in the supernatural. 100%.
Same, yeah.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
Bermuda Triangle, what about that?
It's a pentagon, actually. Other than that, everything is
That's the
factual.
conspiracy.
Bermuda Pentagon.
Yeah.
You
No,
should have
Bermuda-
done that. Actually, it's a pentagon.
I mean, it's the Earth's magnetic field. I believe in the Earth's magnetic
Yeah.
field.
Okay.
It's real.
It's actually that.
Must be that.
Some air pocket or something.
Yeah, air
no?
pocket.
Yeah.
Something. Or
Okay.
people are just like, that's where they lose interest in flying. Just every time people
Yeah,
fly over
from there they're just like,
fuck it.
Hmm.
Bam.
So no. Okay.
Maybe it's an awesome place where people are living and they just don't come back. It's
They
so
don't wanna
good
tell anyone,
that
yeah.
they're all living there. Whoever
Oh,
went
like
there.
Yeah,
that,
Amelia
uh,
Earhart.
They've just
Like all the cool people are just
yeah,
Yeah.
it's like a perfect city.
Yeah.
Like it's like that.
Atlantis.
Atlantis.
Another conspiracy.
I was going to say it's like a Truman Show. The
Oh,
fake
You know, like
city.
that North Sentinel Island where like people don't like the
I mean,
tribal
that
people.
is I mean, that
Yeah,
is
that's
not
real.
a conspiracy
that's-
theory.
That's real. They exist.
They boo away people.
Some people found out they exist.
Yeah.
Like this arrow is real.
Hey, guys,
Yeah, the
there's an
guy
arrow.
who discovered it like might be very late. Somebody must have
Yeah.
already seen it. They
Yeah.
killed him, no?
Yeah.
Dude, you know what I'm like? I was thinking being killed by an arrow is fine, this one, but blow dart is like extra insult. Like
Yeah.
you just spat something
Yeah.
at you and you
But
died.
that's
That's
just
just
the
saliva of his also.
Thoo. That's like thoo and you died. It's like
The
insult to
postmortem,
injury.
there's like 2 DNAs.
yeah. What is this? Someone.
2 DNA in a postmortem in North Sentinel Island. What the hell?
They don't even know. Like they don't allow anyone, right? They kill them if you.
Anybody goes in, the government of India has
Yeah.
told they're okay. Like, you guys stay there.
Yeah.
We won't come. We won't with you guys.
Yeah, but,
but I mean,
on
it-
the beach there is Modi's photo in Sentinel Island also. I've heard that he's the Sentinel. He's like, no one will come here.
Yeah, north is this, but east, south, and west is Modi. North we already got. Man, but yeah, over top 3, man. I thought we'd get viral over here.
Yeah, one more we should need. No, one more
Okay.
was like you have
How
should
about
have
bottom 3? Worst.
worst
yeah.
3. Yeah,
Worst
nice.
3 actors in India.
Worst
Bollywood.
actors in India.
Bollywood worst
Oh,
actors.
That's
Let's
like tough,
go.
dude.
It's too many, right?
Yeah,
Spoiled for
too
choice.
many. I think Harman Baweja is there somewhere.
Harman Baweja,
So
the guy with the robot.
sad.
Love Story
Yeah,
2050.
Yeah,
That's right.
He looks like a
Wow.
mix of you both somehow.
Oh, man, this guy, it felt like he came planned. at
Yeah,
this
man.
whole thing.
Hey,
You
attack
just
me.
as
I don't really
worst.
like that.
2050 love story. there
2050
was-
Love Story, yeah, with
Yeah.
Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Harman
I know
Baweja
that.
was
Yeah,
there.
that's good.
That's
good.
one
safe,
guy.
Safe one.
Second,
Tiger Shroff.
Tiger
Tiger
Beta.
Shroff. Yeah.
Body movement is good, but
Yeah.
Man, like
Facial expression.
He's like Roadrunner, you know. He's always
yeah,
on
yeah,
like
actually.
just like
he
no
doesn't-
gravity.
They don't give him dialogues also. He's just
Yeah.
running and he's escaping.
Yeah.
You're right. It's
They're
Roadrunner.
only making that series. What is that, Baghi or something?
Yeah, and
Baghi
War.
4.
Okay, War also is out, right?
I
War,
don't know.
War 1,
War
he was
2
there.
is not there.
Yeah, War 2, he is out.
War 2 is.
What was the junior NTR? Like,
Yeah.
Junior India.
They got somebody bad from the south. to like,
Hey, Junior India is bad. Are you saying it to the camera?
Say.
come on, Damascus, if you think he's bad.
Junior India is bad or what? Okay, he's worse than Senior
Like in
India.
War 2, he,
Yeah. Senior India is my favorite.
Senior India is better.
yeah.
Is that like the least
Can't
controversial
go
thing
wrong
you
with
can
senior
say?
NTR, yeah.
Can't.
Yeah.
Verse 3. Then who else?
It's
I mean,
very tough, dude.
everyone is bad.
Everyone's bad. It's very hard to name top 3 only. Like one of them is dead. Like Irfan Khan is
Irfan.
dead, yeah.
That's true. Irfan. Yeah.
Amir Khan?
No.
No,
I
he's
think
lost it?
I used to. Yeah, I don't know.
Hey, Indian actors. What are we looking? Mohanlal.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Lalaton.
Yeah.
There's 1, 2, and 3 is Mohanlal,
Yeah.
bro.
Jesus
Please.
Christ.
I mean, 2 is Mammootty, but yeah.
Yeah. But dude, Mohanlal is the best.
Fine, I'll let you have this one.
What? I let you have this one. Have it.
Have you watched
Have it
any
yourself.
of the
Yeah, of course.
Mohanlal? Which
Big one.
movies have you watched?
Drishyam, I watched.
Oh,
I mean, this is very late. Yeah.
So
Oh,
what happened to
early life.
Mohanlal?
Yeah,
Mohanlal.
this is like how you saying Klopp won the league. You're
Yeah.
not watched the Istanbul and all that.
I
like
watched, of
Mohanlal.
No, so what happened Mohanlal was Mohanlal in the 90s went like nuts. 1992, 1993, he was like crazy.
Oh, like
And
Saeed
then-
Anwar. Saeed Anwar
Saeed-
also
yeah,
went
yeah,
nuts
yeah.
that time.
Just
Yeah. 190,
unbelievable.
195. Yeah.
Unbelievable he was. And then he started going like more artsy.
Yeah.
It reached a point where he became too artsy and the audience rejected him. And he was like, okay, now I'll do mass again just to
Yeah.
make money. So you're seeing that phase of him right now.
Correct.
Uh,
He was like all movies went like 300, 200 crores. Like
What
and that's
is
for
it?
a very small population.
yeah,
it's
I
going
know.
like that.
What's his? Okay, what are like one movie you have to watch? Mohanlal
Okay,
movie
I'll, like,
for the audience.
one movie like I don't know if it's available, but
Sagar alias Jackie.
that's Ta-na. Bro, top 3 BGMs. This Tana, the
Yeah,
Sagar alias
no, but
Jackie.
tell-
He
top
says,
three.
he says off in the
Yeah.
movie now.
Bro,
Top this Mohanlal, one movie is there called Sadayam. Okay?
no, give a one that is palatable
for-
for the audience.
Oh, for the audience. Okay.
Sadayam is
palatable-
like
yeah.
it
No, I just
encroaches
wanted to
upon
tell
very tough
tell
topics.
the lore of Mohanlal
okay,
just to make him understand how good he is. Like Sadayam movie came out, right? Great, unbelievable performance.
Yeah.
And when National Awards came,
Ah.
right? Okay, yeah,
No,
I've
no,
already
continue.
lost you.
Continue, please. I'm listening.
Okay, you're listening?
Don't
Okay.
worry. You just
Okay.
I have
This
to.
guy-
I have something that links to this. You continue.
Okay, so
Yeah.
he when the National
Yeah.
Awards came out,
Yeah.
they didn't give it to him. They gave it to Amitabh Bachchan in some like Agnipath or something. I think like that.
Yeah, yeah.
You know why they did that? Because he won the previous year.
Mohanlal.
Yeah, they were
Yeah.
like, we can't
Back
give
to
him
back,
again.
if you
yeah.
give, then
So that's how good he was.
Kerala will
And you
try
know,
to secede as a country. Like, they're too good for this country.
Kamal Hassan said, my awards mean nothing if he didn't win for that movie. That's how good he was.
This is Satyam.
Sadyam.
Not
Sadyam.
Satyam. Not Satyam. Satyam is Onam.
That's what I was like, why is a movie about food so good? Sadyam.
Satyam.
Have you
Yeah.
met Mohanlal?
No.
Have you
Yes,
met
I
Mohanlal?
met him.
What?
Really?
Yeah.
You
But
met
as a
Mohanlal?
kid.
I met Mohanlal and Mammootty.
As a
Yeah.
kid,
What?
right? But as an
How?
adult?
As an adult, this guy met him like last year.
He was in the airport. I went and said hi. No,
And?
I was just there. His guy, one
He was like,
security
hey, I
was-
loved you in Chennai Express. That's what he said.
I said I loved you in company. He was in company.
Yeah, company was good.
He was the police inspector.
Yeah, no, I know. Yeah.
And he was just there. I took a photo with him.
And he
He's-
recognized you, like.
Obviously. He was like, hey, you are that
Yeah,
Vodafone joke you did. yeah, sir. Drishyam.
Sorry, I-
Drishyam.
yeah, that's my Drishyam.
My Drishyam.
Vodafone.
I buried that joke. And
You said
can't
loved him
find
in
it.
company, you said.
company. I didn't say that, dude. Are you crazy?
what
I
did
just
you say,
I
though?
didn't say anything. What? You don't have to say anything. You take photo. You're
Really?
like, can I take a photo? Big fan.
That's all.
That's it.
Oh, and why did you meet? What circumstances? Like,
I mean,
He's a nephew, dude.
no, but I'm like whatever.
Some connections,
Mallu,
yeah.
enough,
Mohanlal got him into
enough
MBA
connections.
college.
Hey man.
what, Mallu?
Mohanlal got him into IIM. It's for influence he got it.
Yeah, after Sadayam, I am also the next move. Happy?
Sadayam.
Happy, guys? Who brought it up now?
Sadayam Calcutta, Sadayam Bombay. Top 3 Sadayam.
Sadayam ABCs.
But no, I've met Mammootty Mohanlal at Hari Krishnan time that time.
Over, man.
Wow, that's like the peak.
Yeah.
Over, man,
Insane.
over.
Insane.
Okay, no, 2 more Mohanlal movies.
Tanmatra, you guys have to. Yeah.
Dude, you're giving very tough movies for them to
Tanmatra
consume.
is a watchable movie. I
Tanmatra
think.
is Alzheimer's.
Yeah. Alzheimer's,
Someone
yeah.
is
It covers
Hey,
going-
Alzheimer's.
yeah, you are giving very tough.
He likes those movies.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
but I'm saying, okay, for me, you give all these, but
Okay,
give
for
the
the-
audience some
That-
nice one good one commercial one. For them.
Oh, then you have to watch this one, the detective.
Nadodi Kart.
Narodi Karte.
Yeah.
There's
Nadodi
a trilogy,
Kart.
a
Okay.
comedy trilogy.
Nice,
And
nice.
it's like a satire on like unemployment. and
Okay,
all
I'll
that.
watch.
It
I
covers
watched-
those topics.
I watched a few Fahad Fasil movies. I've not watched many Mohanlal movies. I have to
Okay.
start. I watched that Fahad Fasil one where he's a chain snatcher in
Yeah.
the bus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then he
which I
arrests-
forgot
Oh,
the
we'll
name.
give him that top 3 Mohanlal movies. This is good for
Sorry,
Mallu
yeah,
audience.
Top 3 Mohanlal movies.
That, how about how many kilometers from Miami Beach to
No, top 3
Washington,
Narodi
DC?
Karte number 1.
Nadodi Kart number 1.
Then, I mean, I want to say Devasaram, but I don't want to say it.
Why? What's wrong?
It's a little mass. Devasaram is a little mass.
Okay, bro.
It's okay, your top 3.
Kiridam.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
And then one new one I'll put. Then Iruvar.
Iruvar. Oh, man.
Yeah.
You watched Iruvar?
Iruvar is a
I've
Maniratnam
heard
movie.
a lot about this.
It's a
Man,
Maniratnam
Time
movie.
magazine said Marlon Brando's answer to, India's answer to Marlon
Marlon Brando's answer to India. Nobody asked Marlon Brando the question.
Why do you hire Mohanlal?
What was the question? That answer was Mohanlal.
He made an offer you can refuse.
But yeah.
Yeah, oh sorry. We have a very celebrated segment now, which
That's
we are going to do.
right.
It's called Small Talk Different Year, and the year we have chosen for our very young guest is 2019.
Yeah, that's the problem.
he
no,
was alive
I saw,
then.
I saw the segment.
Mm.
Right, all the years you guys were choosing is like when you guys were not existing
Yeah.
in that year.
Yeah.
So if you do 2019, are we doing us in 2019?
Do
or
what you
Yeah,
want.
do it. Yeah, just like
Or like now-
It's 2019 without the vision of what happens later.
Correct.
Yeah,
But I'm saying,
but are we
am I
now-
26 in 2019 or am I 2019 age in 2019?
26. You're
Assume you're
26.
26.
I'm 26.
Yeah, you're
then.
same age right
So
now.
it's not a real life. We're not
Yeah,
doing a
it's
flashback.
nothing.
We're doing
Okay.
a alternate reality.
Yeah.
All right. So 2019 small talk. We're just talking.
Yeah,
Just,
casual.
Talking,
and
yeah.
Starting.
Small talk 2019.
Let's go.
Okay.
So what
how's
do you-
the weather right now? Like,
Bro, no, what is this?
Man, I'm.
Small
it's
talk-
gloomy for me.
That's so 2018 of you to bring up the weather. Who
small
talks
talk
about
is
the
same in
weather?
every year,
Let
right?
me tell you, it's gloomy for me because you know that I run a business, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
That and I had to sell it because sales are not going up.
Damn.
That one, the manufacturing of masks and PPE suits
Oh, no.
business. There's just no demand.
You should
There's no
close
demand.
down. I've been telling for
What
years.
you should
Yeah.
start is like a travel company. Everybody's traveling
Yeah, you
all
should
the
pivot.
time.
Pivot towards travel. It's 2019.
It's
Travel
the high
is the
time.
future.
Yeah.
Everybody's traveling.
Yeah.
I got
because-
my passport. I'm going to Italy next year.
You know Italy?
Man.
Yeah.
Italy is like I've heard
The
like
hub.
best place in terms of just like the safety standards and health and
Yeah.
sanitation.
I got some money and I'm going to. I don't know if you know. There's a small, quaint place, Wuhan. Wuhan in China. It's a lab. It's a small lab.
Okay.
Oh.
And
They give entry like.
yeah, they give entry. A lot of
Why are you
exotic
going to
species.
Wuhan?
A lot
Why
of
are you going?
exotic species are there, and
Okay, yeah, in the
cuisine. I
wet,
want
the
to try the
wet
cuisine.
markets. I've heard
Yeah,
of
try
it.
the cuisine and all those
Yeah.
things. I'm a
Nice.
foodie, you know me.
And you're an animal lover. You want to check
Yeah.
out some exotic
Yeah.
animals.
You want to come along?
Yeah, I mean, I've got no plans and
Yeah.
Yeah. How about
are you
in-
planning to carry your mask just to start
I
a
sold
business?
everything.
Oh.
Why?
man.
Why do I need it?
Perfect,
I don't need it
You should go
anymore.
in December. Like there's like Christmas holidays coming up in
Yeah?
yeah.
Oh,
Things are
dude.
really going to be opening up in
Man,
December.
everything.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, the travel company idea.
Yeah, dude, I'll
But
do that.
if you're going there and Uh,
One quick trip, 2-day trip.
2-day trip.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, what they're going to keep us there?
Yeah,
true.
forever. Oh, what funny.
Dude, I
man.
hope it's exactly how it's online because Wuhan looks like paradise from what I've seen online. Because you know the.
Oh, they call it the Coorg of China. That's what
Oh,
they
really?
call. Yeah.
And Coorg is called the Scotland of
The Wuhan of India. That's what they call.
So we keep moving. It's interesting how the world keeps comparing.
Yeah,
No,
man.
that's the reason I'm saying is the internet can deceive you, right? So
Yeah.
someone said that dress is blue and white.
Oh, yeah.
And I
yeah,
think
yeah.
it is something and gold. I
Yeah,
forgot.
white and gold.
White and gold
Black.
and blue and
Black.
Black. That's
Yeah.
Blue and black for me.
It's
very-
blue and black?
Yeah, of course.
Why, who's the white and gold person? I have not seen.
I don't have a phone. I sold my phone also. This tough
Ah.
times. The mask business is killing me.
Convenient, dude. He's selling everything.
Everything
I love
is
it.
sell, bro.
I just put all my money into the Wuhan trip.
Everything. Dude, this is everything
bad.
or nothing for you. This trip's gonna decide the future, huh?
I'm going to get my next startup
I'll
idea.
tell you what I recommend. You go to Wuhan
Mm.
and then on the way back, stop in all the backpackers hostels.
Yeah, yeah.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Mix with people.
Yeah.
Just interact.
Do
you know?
intercultural activities.
Yeah, you must spread love.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
must, intermingle.
Yes.
And that's how.
Yeah.
Come back, meet your family, then go home.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We
Yeah.
build
Yes.
immunity by immersing
Immunity?
ourselves.
What's
in-
that?
Yeah.
You know, like
That's
you
not a
have
word in our
Horlicks
vocabulary.
and-
Oh, Horlicks. Yeah.
We used to have Horlicks 5 years back or
Yeah.
something.
In China, they call it something else, though. Yeah.
What
What does he call it?
Say it.
No, I'm just saying things like this. China has a different Facebook, right? So I'm just
Yeah,
Oh,
saying,
yeah.
yeah.
Weibo, right?
Weibo.
Something, I don't know.
Google is Baidu.
Baidu?
Yeah, I've created my Baidu account, man. I'm
Yeah,
just for a 3-day Wuhan trip.
First,
Dude.
you need to delete your Google account.
Yeah, that's also
That also you have to do.
Man. Do you guys watch Avengers Endgame?
Man.
Mm,
Is
Is
it
it good?
Is it an
It's
all-time?
okay. Yeah.
I think it's the last movie
I mean,
from...
they're showing like world ends and like there's
It
one
was
way to
realistic
say
as-
it and all that. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know. How is
I-
that realistic?
I think the when Iron Man dies, spoiler
Yeah.
for our fans.
Man.
People
Sorry.
cried in the theater, and that kind of made me laugh. Like, how can you cry for?
No,
Iron
but this
Man?
is the end of Marvel, right? Like Endgame.
It
over.
has to
After
be.
This,
It has
there
to
is
be.
Nothing more.
Yeah, if
I
they
mean,
do
where
it,
can you
that's
go
like
from
a.
here?
Where can you go from
Where
here?
can you
What, you
go
can bring back someone?
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
like,
They would do a prequel for Iron Man.
Yeah, like what is next? Like DC is gonna try
Yeah,
to
the
kind
Mag-
of
Yeah,
make
come on, they
movies
can't
like
do that.
The
King-
Magnesium Man or something.
Yeah. Yeah, lesser popular metals.
yeah, it's just
Yeah,
the
gold man. They just steal
Palladium.
him. People just steal him and
Palladium
lock
or
him up.
something.
Yeah, Palladium man.
Palladium Man.
He
yeah.
just sits in the mall.
yeah. yeah. The Saturn. You know.
What is the worst kind of superhero in terms of the chemicals we could choose? Silver Surfer is over.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's what, Mercury, right?
He's silver, bro.
Oh, so shit.
who's
he
Silver?
looks Silver Surfer. I thought it looked very...
You don't know Silver Surfer? I
No.
think in Fantastic
Fantastic
Four
Four.
he was there.
Oh.
Yeah, just for the alliteration they gave him a
Silver
surfboard.
Surfer.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
surfs.
Oh, I heard sulfur.
But let's get back to 2019, guys.
2019.
what
2019.
are you up to? What songs are you listening to?
Songs am I listening to? Man, what's big right now?
Ed Sheeran, Shape
I,
of You. or
dude,
something.
I've put my phone on silent.
What?
Because you sold your phone. There's no point of me
Yeah.
having one anymore.
Who do I call?
Yeah. I did.
Man.
I've not been up to speed with the songs. You tell me some songs. Dude, what's been big? Shape of You is big
Shape
right
of
now.
You is
Dude,
big, yeah.
okay, I think you're like taking a rest year this year.
This
and
year,
next year...
Is our
I'm
year.
back.
You're
Next year, 2020, I'm outdoors.
Yeah.
2019 indoors, 2020
Yeah.
outdoors.
Yeah,
Fair
everything.
My-
Even
I'm-
indoor plants are outside. Like
Yeah.
Dude,
everything.
I'm taking a challenge next year. It's a 300-day outdoor challenge.
Wow.
Okay, what about the 65 days, rest of them?
65 days rest and recover. You know?
Rest and recover, okay.
65 days, maybe I'll chill. I'll take pit stops. Wuhan and
With chill with Gotham. a
Wuhan,
little bit,
Italy,
yeah.
if you're there.
Italy, I'll be there. Yeah.
Spain.
Yeah.
These are my
The
stops.
top three of.
Yeah. Also in Australia, especially that one region where
Yeah.
lockdowns will definitely not happen for a long time.
Yeah. Are you,
What's
do you
a
have
lockdown?
Do you have any, are you investing money anywhere?
What am I investing in recently? Is of course in Zostil I've invested.
Yeah.
Zostil is going to
Yeah.
be big.
Man, you should buy this theater
Anything
stocks.
Theater stocks?
Theater stocks you
stocks.
should buy, yeah.
Live spaces.
Live spaces,
Invest
yeah.
in live
All event
spaces.
spaces.
Open
yeah.
air and not open air, closed air live spaces.
Yeah,
Correct.
same air.
Same air live
Yeah.
spaces. Comedy, just
Where
in
people
comedy
are just like,
theaters.
having a good time together in
Yeah.
one area.
You're right. I'm gonna actually just you reminded me
Yeah.
because I had put some money in this Chinese small company called Zoom.
Yeah?
It's going nowhere.
No,
my
sell
investment. I'm
it.
taking it out.
Sell it.
Sell,
People,
right?
bro,
Sell.
it's office time.
It's office time.
Yeah.
There's no meetings
Action ka
online.
office time.
Yeah, remember, dude, Zoom, it's going to be like that Skype thing that it's the same.
Yeah.
I can't believe I thought it would be big one day. That was a
Yeah.
poor judgment.
Who's
on
going to
mine.
use it?
Zoom out. And
Zoom
just-
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zoom
Look at the
out.
world.
Look at the world.
Man, I'm just like, as a Liverpool fan, it's just like my world is just broken. I don't
Man,
think.
lost by 1 point.
I don't think I'll ever see victory, dude. It's
No.
just looking terrible right now.
Yeah.
But
So sad.
that.
I don't know, man. But that's all right. It's just, I'm just focusing on myself, you know. Just I've stopped going to gym and all.
Yeah?
Just like I think healthcare, we have reached a point where we are like, you know, all
Yeah.
diseases. We've
It's
solved
like
it.
longevity is
Longevity is
solved.
sorted.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
smoke a lot.
It's good.
I smoke a lot.
Your lungs, like, you need to use them, man. They're there.
Yeah, cardio.
You gotta
Who
do
wants to do
something
cardio
with it,
anymore?
Sorry. I'm fine.
Hey man, give a cough once again.
I don't know what happened. I
I
suddenly.
think there's a cure in Wuhan lab for this.
yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, can you bring one cure back?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll bring it, bro. It is. It's a alive cure.
It's alive?
The cure will
Yeah.
fly to you.
Beautiful, man. Just a green channel in customs.
but
okay?
dude, I'm just so excited, dude. Let's have it. Have you had bat soup?
No, I'm not.
Have
tried
a
it yet.
bad soup.
Bat soup, yeah.
Bad-
Oh, dude, bat soup is
If
so.
bat soup can solve this cough, bro, let's
yeah,
do it.
dude,
bro.
you should have it.
You don't have a cough?
No, I don't. I'll get it though.
Bad soup. That sounds interesting. But
Yeah. Come with me to
I
Wuhan.
think we should try it out. Too.
Yeah.
Why not, dude? I think China is the
China.
future.
Is that how you're bringing China and India together?
India.
India.
I'm saying India. Sorry, why am I saying India? China is like relations with China are just going to get better from now. So
Yeah.
100%.
let's just go. Let's just
Hindi
go.
Cheen bye bye.
That's right. Hindi
Yeah.
Chini.
Hindi Cheeni bye bye.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
Chini. Yeah.
Oh, people from Cheeni.
Yeah,
That's
Chini,
crazy.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Sweet people.
Yeah.
All right.
That was a beautiful
Good.
ending
Yeah.
to a lovely segment. You guys have been amazing.
Thank you very much. And Gokul, you want to plug something?
Plugs.
This will come out maybe in 3 weeks.
Oh, in
For
come
3-4
3
weeks.
4 weeks. 3-4
4 weeks? Oh,
4
then
yeah.
my shows are over. by
No,
then,
okay.
We'll have
yeah.
something.
Plug something.
You're working on the show.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
game
we're
show.
working on a show called Statistically Speaking. Please
Yes.
come for live shows. It's very fun.
Yeah, and yeah, I think my tour will be still on. It'll be ending, but few shows will be left. Please come watch.
Yeah, same here. Tour will be going on December and also game show. Statistically
Yes.
speaking, please come. See ya.